What is up, everybody? How you doing out there? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your iPhone doesn't want to charge. I think we've all dealt with this before, and then we go out and buy a new cable and we still don't have anything. Or this will also end up happening where it feels like you have to wiggle the cable in order to get it to charge, and you have to put it in just the right spot. I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's a lot easier than you think. You're going to need a toothpick, or in my case I'm going to be using a handy dandy broken crocheting hook. And if you come inside here where this plugs in, there's probably pocket lint. There's probably something inside here. So yeah, I can feel it already. So if we take that out, when doing this, be careful not to damage any of the pins that are in there. Problem with keeping it in your pocket. Okay, is that everything? Let's see if that fixed it. There you go. Now we're getting a charge. Yeah, so if you're having to wiggle this in order to get the charge, or it's just simply not charging at all, before you go out and buy a new cable, see if there's something inside there in order to prevent this from charging. And then I bet you that that's what the problem is. So anyway, guys, that's that. And until next time, talk to you later.